Okay, we got a 2020 NPR. Basically, it's for pest control and lawn service fumigation. So we gave them the Excalibur alarm 1670 with the app on the phone with the linker. The way to use it is that will remote start the vehicle. This will arm the alarm, lock your doors, turn off the alarm, remote start, and turn off the truck, the voltage of the battery, of the actual truck, the signal of the unit. He put a little picture of his personal vehicle there, that's fine. To turn off the the truck, I'm gonna go ahead. This one turns it off, okay? This one arms the system. Okay. This unlocks it. It's got GPS location here, but for security reasons, I'm not going to show where the vehicle's at. And then basically it comes with the remote control. So on the system, you hit lock, locks the doors. If you bought this thing with power locks, basically all of them come with power locks these days. Unlock it, okay, brand new. If you hit twice here, it will remote start the truck. And if you leave your AC in the on position, it's going to blow nice cool air. If you decide you don't want to go anywhere, you can close the door and hit lock. Keep the truck locked. To get back in, you're going to hit unlock. Okay. Nice AC is blowing here. It's about 95 degrees in Miami, so yeah. This is the antenna that gives you the range, so you're able to arm and disarm it and remote start it. Okay. To turn off the truck, you do the same thing twice. And when you arm the alarm, it's going to light up the light on blue all the time. And it's pretty clean in the bottom. That's how we work. You don't see any wires or nothing. So, and then to fire off the alarm, somebody walks up and opens any other doors, of course it's going to trigger, bang on the window. This alarm was installed here in this NPR by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.